Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Vera Verita and I'm student number 35 from class 11 IP3 which stand for Agribusiness in Agricultural Product Processing at SMK Negeri 1 Kalibagor. Today, I'm going to present about hortatory exposition text, a type of writing that aims to persuade readers or listeners to take action on an issue. In this presentation, I will explain its definition, social function, generic structure, language features, and provide an example. Let's get started. Definition of hortatory exposition text is a type of text that is intended to explain the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. Definisi hortatory exposition text adalah jenis teks persuasif yang digunakan untuk menjelaskan apakah sesuatu tidak boleh atau boleh dilakukan. Social function of hortatory exposition text to persuade the readers that something should or should not be the case, yaitu tujuannya untuk memaksa pembaca untuk setuju pada isu yang kita angkat, bahkan mengikuti saran yang diberikan. Hortatory exposition text has three main parts in its generic structure. First, thesis. This part presents the main topic you want to convey. Second, argument. This section provides opinion to support the main topic. Third, recommendation. The final section of this writing contains recommendation for each readers. Jadi, hortatory exposition text memiliki tiga struktur. Yang pertama, tesis. Bagian ini merupakan topik utama yang ingin kamu utarakan. Yang kedua, argumen. Pendapat untuk mendukung topik utama. Yang ketiga, rekomendasi. Bagian akhir dari tulisan ini berisi rekomendasi untuk para pembacanya. Next, language feature of hortatory exposition text. First, using the simple present tense or first form of the verb. Second, using verb to express thought. For example, experience, feel, know, realize, sense, think. Third, using internal conjunction or connection words. A. Addition. For example, besides, in addition. B. Comparisons. For example, meanwhile, on the other hand. C. Time. For example, second, then, next. D. Cause effect. For example, consequence, as a result, so the result. Jadi, kaidah kebahasaan hortatory exposition text ada tiga, yaitu yang pertama menggunakan simple present tense atau kata kerja bentuk pertama, yang kedua menggunakan kata kerja mengekspresikan pikiran. Contohnya, experience, feel, know, realize, sense, think. Yang ketiga, memakai internal conjunction atau kata penghubung. A. Addition atau penambahan, contohnya besides, in addition. B. Comparisons atau perbandingan, contohnya but, meanwhile, on the other hand. C. Time, waktu, contohnya second, then, next. D. Cause effect atau sebab akibat, contohnya consequence, as a result, so the result. Nah, itulah ketiga kaidah kebahasaan yang ada di hortatory exposition text. Now, let me explain an example of hortatory exposition text entitled "We must start recycling now to save the environment," divided into three parts: thesis, arguments, and recommendations. The current environmental crisis marked by overflowing landfills and massive pollution demands immediate action. Recycling is no longer a choice but an urgent and mandatory duty that every person must prioritize to secure the future of our shared environment. Arguments. First, Recycling drastically reduces the volume of waste sent to landfills, which are significant sources of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Landfill waste mean less contribution to climate change. Second, using recycled materials is vastly more energy efficient than using virgin resources. For example, recycling aluminum saves 95% of the energy needed for new production. We are conserve our finite natural resource this way. Third, the recycling process creates a robust circular economy, generating new jobs and sustainable industries. This benefits our communities and reduces our reliance on unsustainable manufacturing. Recommendation. Given these undeniable benefits, we must ignore. Every individual should commit to rigorous waste separation at home. Local governments need to improve collection infrastructure. Start separating your waste today. We must treat waste a valuable resource to save our planet. In conclusion, the hereditary exposition tax is a powerful tool to pursue and inspire action. Just like our example on recycling, so starting with a strong basis, backed by clear arguments, and ending with practical recommendations. By understanding this structure, we can all create messages that drive real change in our world. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.